And welcome to the Smash News Network least busted name in news. This is our meteorology segment, and I'm your host, Dan, a.k.a. Smash-O-Mash. First thing we're looking at is the satellite imagery from windy.com over North America. Next thing we're going to take a look at are the surface winds of this side of the planet. Zooming out a little bit and looking at the winds to about 2 meters of altitude. Some strong winds there on the south and east of Greenland. Another bad day for Viking invasions. And an onshore wind at Iceland. How about the jet streams of the Western world? There you go, doubled up jet stream over the U.S., some very cold air being injected down to the Great Lakes region. Tripled up jet stream there over parts of the Western world. So quite some big bends there, and some huge bends here over South America, seeing a large low pressure forming here over the eastern part of the continent. Let's take a look at the jet streams of the eastern world real quick. Shout out to our viewers from this side of the planet. The jet stream is the most compact way you could look at global weather patterns, folks. It'll tell you if it'll be warmer or cooler, and if the skies are likely to be cloudy or clear. It's the 250 hectopascal winds on nullschool.net. Here are the surface winds of this side of the planet. Once again, shout out to our viewers from around the world. Who knew we would make so many friends by putting up YouTube videos? We consider the whole thing a collaborative effort, so let us know in the comments what you think about weather forecasting. Have we helped you understand the physics of the atmosphere? We hope so. Here are the 72-hour GFS precipitation and pressure forecasts for the lower 48. Quite a bit of precipitation happening there west of the Mississippi near the end of the next 3 days. Otherwise, mostly clear in the eastern part of the country. A little quick-moving Alberta clipper coming in there. Next, temperature anomaly. And we've got some very warm temperatures there in the central part of the country, like 20 degrees Celsius above normal in places like Nebraska and Kansas. Some fantastic weather, perhaps for some cycling in those areas. Some cold air around the Gulf Coast. That's your GFS temperature anomaly forecast in Celsius degrees. Next, we've got a NASA GOES lightning mapper. Quite a bit of lightning here over South America and some off the east coast of the U.S. Also, we've got another anomaly. We've been seeing anomalies on our security cameras. Make sure you check out that imagery if you haven't. BitChute viewers, youtube.com/Smash-O-Mash is going to show you some stuff you can't see anyplace else, like our space weather videos. There are also some funky anomalies, to say the least. Here we've got an anomaly. That looks like it might be lightning, or it could be something happening to the satellite. There are some charging hazards around that zone at the moment. Again, watch our space weather videos at youtube.com/Smash-O-Mash/videos. Here's a real-time lightning map from lightningmaps.org. There's where the active cells are at the moment, at least in the northern hemisphere. Thanks to our Twitch followers. This video was originally streamed live to Twitch. And speaking of which, let me check the life of the stream here, and everything looks A-OK. Thanks to our YouTube subscribers. Congratulations on realizing the channel exists. Let us know in the comments how you found us. We find it very interesting. And we've got 666 subscribers on BitChute. Will you get us out of that and be our 667th? Who knows? By the way, we put our latest demonetized video from YouTube on there. It's titled, Europe at War, Putin's Russia Invades Ukraine. Next, the weather.gov map. If your county is lit up, just click your county on weather.gov. And let's continue on. To invite you to become members of the Smash team, this is our paywall. Similar to Patreon, just superior. Our own website has added features that Patreon just simply doesn't have, consider joining at the bronze or silver, gold, or annual gold up paid subscription level. I'm wearing the shirt. Smashomash.com/Smash Team. Next, looking at the water vapor scenario over the world's largest body of water, the Pacific Ocean. It'll give you insight into what is coming as most weather patterns move west to east, and for those viewers in the Americas, this may help. Some moisture making its way into Mexico. A long string of dry air there, reaching all the way from Southern California to Florida and beyond to Bermuda. And some moisture there moving a bit to the north there into Canada, around the Pacific Northwest. Probably a well-deserved respite, although it is still raining. So there's the U.S. Doppler radar map. We're going to focus on the lower 48 for the remainder of the video. There are the lower 48's radar data. The Doppler radar measuring vertical movement of water droplets in the air column. Here's a shortwave radiation map showing clouds and fog when it's too dark to use the visible satellite, and here's the water vapor map. If your Doppler is not clear as to what you expect to happen next, check out the water vapor and you can see the rains are going to continue here as there is continued moisture moving in and no major change in things like pressure and temperature. Here's your recap, the U.S. Doppler radar map. Clouds and fog. And water vapor for the lower 48. Thanks for tuning in. Congratulations on realizing we exist. I've been your host, Dan, a.k.a. Smashomash, signing off from the Smash News Network, least busted name in news.